Before going to the Spring Boot, let's understand the two things. The first is Tomcat server, another is the Maven. So let's assume that there is a guy a side of a river, and another side of a river he has his own goat, buffalo and the dog. He want to take all of them to his side. So what he has to do is, he cannot cross the river by jumping into that, right? So he require a bridge which can take them to his side. So here the bridge is the Tomcat server. So here the guy is a browser, and the goat, buffalo and dog are the Java classes which was built by JVM. Okay. Now the browser want to access the data of the classes, right? So here browser cannot directly understand the data of the Java classes. So what it requires is a Tomcat server is required to interpret the data. That means simply here the Tomcat will act as a bridge between the Java classes and the browser. So whenever the request, the HTTP request came from the browser, it will give you a request to the Java classes, then it will fetch the required data back and provide to the browser back. Okay, that's it. Coming to the Maven, let's assume that your application want to connect with the database. So in order to connect your application to the database, you require a connector, or you can think it like a wire. Okay, that connector we have to download from external source and you have to keep it in your application. For example, the connector was updated to the latest version. What you have to do, you have to delete the existing one, you have to take the new one again, and you have to keep it in your application, right? So instead of doing all this manually, if we have Maven, right, you can do it very easily. So Maven is a dependency manager. You can directly give the version, whichever version you want. And dependency conflicts also you can resolve easily with the Maven. That's what the advantage with the Maven. Okay. Simply I will tell you, the request manager is the Tomcat and the dependency manager is the Maven. That's it.